What if the biggest shift in the future of work isn't AI taking jobs, but AI redefining what a job even is? We're moving from static roles to fluid missions, temporary constellations of human judgment, creative synthesis, and empathetic leadership, orchestrated around AI's tireless execution. The first wave of disruption wasn't replacement, it was deconstruction. Routine tasks, data entry, basic coding, report drafting, scheduling were peeled away, not to eliminate work, but to expose the higher order skills underneath. A junior accountant no longer reconciles spreadsheets. They interpret anomalies flagged by AI and advise on cash flow strategy. A paralegal doesn't hunt precedents. They refine AI generated briefs with narrative nuance and ethical context. The value shifted from doing to directing, diagnosing, and deciding. But the deeper transformation is in learning. AI is turning skill acquisition from linear upskilling to just in time mastery. Imagine a nurse on a rural call. An AR headset overlays real time AI guidance. Check radial pulse, then ask about orthopnea, while a voice assistant pulls the patient's latest labs and suggests differential diagnoses. She isn't replacing her expertise, she's extending it, supported by a cognitive scaffold that compresses years of pattern recognition into the moment. This isn't a killing. It's democratizing expertise, so mastery isn't gatekept by time or geography. Then there's the rise of the hybrid creator, professionals who blend domains once kept separate, a marketer who codes custom AI agents to run micro experiments, an engineer who writes poetry to explain system failures to non technical stakeholders, a teacher who designs generative simulations to help students live history. AI handles the syntax, humans provide the semantics, the meaning, the metaphor, the moral weight. Critically, the most resilient careers now emphasize meta skills, small blue diamond prompt literacy, not just writing queries, but framing problems so AI reveals hidden dimensions, small blue diamond bias triage, spotting when an AI's confidence masks flawed assumptions, small blue diamond ambiguity navigation, acting when data is incomplete, values conflict, and stakes are high, small blue diamond collaborative curation, assembling the right mix of human and AI agents for a mission, then harmonizing their outputs. And the workplace itself is evolving. Productivity is no longer hours logged or tasks checked. It's impact density. How much value is created per decision, per conversation, per insight. One software team replaced stand ups with friction logs. Each member shares one unresolved tension, a conflicting priority, an ethical gray zone, and the group uses AI to simulate outcomes before committing. Trust isn't built through visibility, it's forged in shared vulnerability and collective sense making. Perhaps most hopeful is the renaissance of craft. With AI handling mass production, human hands and minds are returning to high touch, high meaning work, bespoke care, artisanal design, community stewardship, legacy curation. A surgeon uses AI to plan incisions, but the final cut is guided by decades of tactile intuition. A writer uses AI to draft, but the voice, the rhythm, the emotional truth, that's irreplaceably human. This isn't a dystopia of obsolescence. It's an invitation to reclaim what machines can't replicate: curiosity that wanders, courage that commits, and compassion that connects. The future of work isn't about competing with AI, it's about becoming more deeply, unapologetically human, and using technology not to automate our lives, but to amplify our humanity. If this reframed disruption not as threat, but as liberation, please subscribe, like, and share with a builder, leader, or lifelong learner ready to thrive in the age of intelligent collaboration. Tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos on innovation, AI, and the real world tools helping people build meaningful, resilient careers on their own terms.